In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your header menu items font bold in Shopify according to our 2025 guide. If you're looking to give your Shopify store a little more pizzazz, making your navigation menu stand out is a simple yet effective way to do just that. By making the font bold, you ensure that visitors notice your main menu items right away, which can help in guiding them through your site. Let's get started. First, navigate to your store's backend. Once you're on the home page of your Shopify admin dashboard, you will need to locate the section labeled Online Store. This is where you manage the visual aspects of your store, including themes. Click on Online Store, and you'll be directed to a new page displaying your current theme. Next, direct your attention to the Themes section and click on it. Here, you'll see the theme you're currently using and a button labeled Actions. Go ahead and click on this Actions button. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of options. Select Edit Code from this menu. This step is crucial because it opens up the code editor where you'll make the necessary adjustments to your site's appearance. After you've clicked on Edit Code, a sidebar will appear with various folders. What you'll want to do next is look for the Assets folder. This is where Shopify stores the files that control the look and feel of your theme. When you click on Assets, you'll see a list of files. Typically, these are CSS files, denoted with a CSS extension, which are used to apply styles across your website. Scroll through the list of files and locate the main CSS file for your theme. Once you find it, click on it to open the file in the editor. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of the file. Here, you'll need to paste in a snippet of code to make those header menu items bold. Usually, this will look something like modifying the class or ID for the menu items and adjusting the font weight property to bold. With the code in place, your next step is to save your changes. You'll find a Save button in the top right corner of the editor. Click on it, and Shopify will save your modifications. It's always a good practice to double check that you've pasted the code correctly before saving to avoid any unexpected results. Finally, head back to your Shopify storefront and refresh your homepage. Once it reloads, you should see your header menu items are now styled boldly, making them much more prominent and easier for your visitors to notice. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, your header menu items are now bold, enhancing the overall look and functionality of your Shopify store. Thank you for watching and happy selling!